Good morning, so this is Jeannie.
Good
Jeannie,
morning.
tell us a little bit about yourself, lovely.
Well, I'm 73 and I've always been really fit, and, as my parents and grandparents were. And then about 7 weeks ago, I woke up, I couldn't hardly walk to the bathroom. It was really scary. And I tried chiropractor and that helped a bit. And I tried some acupuncture and that helped a bit. And then I came to the Rainbow Summer Camp and I had 2 treatments with Loulou on the Buttafly, and after the second treatment I was pain-free. It was amazing. I had pain in my right hip and in my knee, and I was hobbling about on this scooter, as you can see, which was my mum's mobility scooter.
There she is, there's Jeannie with her scooter.
And now, although I'm sitting on it this moment, I can walk about without pain. And I know I need to practice, and I've just learnt the technique, and I feel much more confident that I'm going to continue to improve, because I felt Loulou knew what she was doing, and it was a very simple and understandable technique. And because Loulou's been through this, been through her own pain and disability, I felt confident with her. So I'm delighted to be talking to you.
Oh, Jeannie, it's really a pleasure. I look forward to working with you some more.
Thank you.